Here's how to create an Amazon wish list and share it. First, go to Amazon and sign into your account. Click Account and Lists in the top right corner. Then, select Create a List. On the next page, click on Create List again and give your list a name to create it. Next, open your list and click More. Then select Manage List. Change the list visibility to Public if you want other people to access it. Add your recipient name and a description if needed. If you want people to purchase items from your list and have Amazon ship them to you, add your shipping address under the address settings. One important setting is don't spoil my surprises. Save your changes, then add products to the list. Search for any product on Amazon. Open its product page, find Add to List, and select your wish list. When you're ready to share it, open the list and select Share. Choose View only if you want people to browse and purchase items without editing your list. Then select Copy Link and send the link to whoever you want. Anyone with the link can view your list and purchase eligible products, while your shipping address remains protected when the privacy setting is configured correctly. That's all for this video. Thanks.